Hello friends, my name is Kanya Chalse. Today I am going to tell about conditional proposition. Proposition and statement are same. A proposition is a collection of declarative statements that has either a true value or false. A propositional consists of propositional variable and connective. We denoted the propositional variable by capital letter like A, B, etc. The connective connected the propositional variable. For example, first is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. It is either true or false. Second, A is less than 6. It is either true or false. Third, Paris is in France. It is either true or false. Conditional proposition or statement. A conditional statement symbolized by P and Q is an if-then statement in which P is hypothesis and Q is conclusion. The logical connector in a conditional statement is denoted by the symbol. The conditional is defined to be a truth unless a truth hypothesis leads to a false conclusion. Notation: the statement P implies Q means that if P is true, then Q must also be true. The statement P implies Q is also written if P then Q or sometimes Q if P. The statement P is called the premise of the implication and Q is called the conclusion. Symbols: it is denoted by P then Q. Let's P and Q are two statements. Then if P then Q is a compound statement denoted by P then Q and referred as a conditional statement or implication. The implication P then Q is false only when P is true and Q is false, otherwise it is always true. In this application, P is called the hypothesis and Q is called the conclusion. Let me discuss about their truth table. Three column and fifth rows are here. First column is P, second is Q, third is P then Q. Here fourth possibilities are here. If the both are true, the value is true. If the one is true and other is false, value is false. If the one is false, other is true, the value is true. And last is the both are false, the value is true. For example, the following are conditional statement. First is if A equal to B and B equal to C, then A equal to C. Second, if I get money, then I will purchase a computer. Variation in conditional statement. Contrapositive. The proposition negation of Q then negation of P is called contrapositive of P then Q. Converse. The proposition Q then P is called the converse of P then Q. Inverse. The proposition negation of P then negation of Q is called the inverse of P then Q. Example: show that P then Q and its contrapositive negation of Q then negation of P are logically equivalent. Let's we discuss about their solution. Here are 6 column and fifth rows are here. First column is P, second Q, third negation of P, fourth negation of Q, fifth P then Q, and last is negation of Q then negation of P. Here is four possibilities are here. The both are true, one is true, other is false, one is false, other is true, and last is the both are false. If the P is true, their negation is F. If the P is false, their negation is true. Similarly, if the Q is true, their negation is F. If the Q is F, their negation is true. So P then Q. Here the P then Q only false when the P is true and Q is false, otherwise it is true. Similarly, the negation of Q then negation of P. It is false when the negation of Q is true and negation of P is false, otherwise it is true. So here one example are here. If you take out of the trash, then you will get $1. So here P is considered as a you take out the trash, and Q is you will get $1. So there symbolically it is represented by P then Q. So their truth table is here. We draw the 3 column and fifth rows. Four possibilities are here. Both are true. One is true, other is false. One is false, other is true, and both are false. Here, only it is false when the P is true and other is false. Otherwise, it is true. Thank you.